Nitroglycerin is considered as a sensitive explosive material that is in liquid form. This material explodes with impact and friction and blast wave. Nitroglycerin was first combined with nitrocellulose by Alfred Nobel to make dynamite, which was more powerful and more stable than nitroglycerin alone. We pour 50 milliliters of nitric acid into 250 milliliters of beaker and add 50 milliliters of sulfuric acid to it. We put the beaker in the water and ice bath. When the temperature of the solution reaches 20 degrees, we add 10 milliliters of glycerin to the solution. Be careful that the temperature of the solution does not exceed 30 degrees when adding glycerin, as the possibility of it exploding increases. Then we pour the solution into a larger beaker containing sodium bicarbonate solution. Then, after the nitroglycerin settles at the bottom of the beaker, we separate it with a decanter funnel.